Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to do some ham salad. I had all this ham left over, and most of my kids, like I said, we've been on diets. But I've got so many friends that could use ham salad. So that's what I'm doing today with this ham. My dad loved ham salad. And I put mayonnaise and pickles, mustard. It is good. I like to eat it on crackers too. I'm just taking that fat off if I can. I'm not going to let you have to sit here and wait for me to do all this ham. But when I get it cut up, I'll be back. Well, now I've already done 2 little batches. But with this batch, I'm going to put pickles in it so they'll grind up about the size of the ham. And if you get a little pickle juice in there, that really is not going to hurt it at all. I don't like pickle relish. Now I like, which I'm out of right now, is chopped pickles that I use in most of my salads. There it's through. We're through with our ham. I never have that much ham left over. My children take it home with them. If I do, this time, nope, they're on diets, like I said. Now, let's just go with half a cup of mayonnaise here. Oh, that's good. It's better than anything you could buy in the store, that's for sure. Well, let's see, I think we've probably started off with 5 cups of ham, give or take. And it's been about a cup and a half, or a little bit more than that, of mayonnaise. And then a couple tablespoons of mustard. And it's divine. That's all I can tell you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you do take time to make it if you've got leftover ham, because it really is worth it. Remember to watch those to pray for those that are suffering right now. Remember the joy. Take care of yourself. See you soon.